Emergence of a new India with a can-do, will-do attitude. India is a land of opportunities, and under dynamic and visionary leadership of PM Modi, the nation stepped into light from darkness on 26 May 2014. The centre has not only emphasized on development and empowerment of the downtrodden, but has also provided an environment for ease of doing business for the small-scale industries and entrepreneurs. But where exactly the new India is going? When we say emergence of a new India, we call it the new India. But what exactly is the India looking like? Let me help you. It is said that youth are the most important and dynamic segment of the population in any country. It is believed that developing countries with large youth population could see tremendous growth. Today, India is one of the youngest nations in the world with more than 62% of its population in the working age group of 15 to 59 years. This gives us the edge of demographic dividend over other countries. The youth of today is increasingly becoming restless and struggling to remove the disparities. At this moment, USA has larger GDP than India, but its growth is much less than India. If we compare India with USA, then the result will somewhat look like this. These all things show that India definitely has a potential to become a superpower. In order to achieve this target, the government and the concerned departments are focusing on how India's Yuva Shakti can introduce world with new India in terms of innovation in technology and growth in all sectors. With our Honorable PM Narendra Modi's vision for Young India and his various schemes, whether it be Skill India Mission, Make in India campaign or Beti Bachao Beti Padhao campaign, he says education cannot come from books only. The motive of education is to provide a balanced development of the overall personality of the human being. Every human being is born with some motive in their lives, and education plays an important role in the fulfillment of this motive.